12 secret websites that will make you money online in 2022. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about 12 secret websites that will make you money online in 2022. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. It's no secret that making money online has become increasingly popular over the years. In fact, more people than ever are looking for ways to earn an income from the comfort of their own homes. The problem is, with so many options out there, it can be hard to know where to start. From taking surveys to selling products and services, there's something on this list for everyone. So if you're ready to start earning some extra cash, read on for the 12 best websites to make money online in 2022. Number 1. Rumble.com. If you're looking for a way to make money online, you've probably heard of Rumble.com. But what is it, and how can you make money with it? Rumble.com is an online video platform and cloud services business headquartered in Longboat Key, Florida and Toronto, Ontario. It was founded in October 2013 by Chris Pavlovski, a technology entrepreneur from Canada. Rumble promotes itself as being immune to cancel culture. It is a website where you can earn money by watching videos and completing tasks. The tasks are usually simple, like rating a video or leaving a comment, and the payments are usually small, but they can add up over time. So if you're looking for an easy way to earn some extra cash, Rumble is definitely worth checking out. Number 2. Fundrise.com. If you're looking for a way to make money online, investing in real estate is a great option. And one of the best platforms for investing in real estate is Fundrise.com. Fundrise is an online platform that allows you to invest in real estate projects. And what's great about it is that you can start with as little as $500. So it's a great way to get started in real estate investing without having to put down a lot of money. Plus, with Fundrise, you can invest in high-quality real estate projects that you wouldn't be able to access on your own. So it's a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially make high returns. Number 3. Google AdSense. AdSense works by matching ads to your site based on your content and visitors. The ads are created and paid for by advertisers who want to promote their products. Google AdSense is one of the most popular ways to make money online. All you need is a website or blog, and you can start earning money by displaying ads on your site. AdSense is a program that allows you to place ads on your site and earn money whenever someone clicks on an ad. If a website visitor clicks or views an ad, the publisher gets paid a specific portion of the advertiser's bid for the ad. Google takes the difference as the fee. There are many different types of ads that you can choose from, and you can customize the look of your ads to match your site. Number 4. Impact.com. This website is a great resource for people looking to make money online. Impact.com is the leading global partnership management platform, has been transforming the way enterprises discover and manage all types of partnerships, including affiliates, influencers, commerce content publishers, B2B, and more since its founding in 2008. There are a variety of ways to make money on this website, and you can also find helpful resources and tips. The website has a section where you can sign up for paid surveys, and you can also earn cash by completing offers and tasks. Their powerful, purpose-built platform helps businesses, brands, publishers, and agencies to build authentic, enduring, and rewarding relationships with both publishers and consumers. By providing visibility across the entire consumer journey, they are able to aggregate, orchestrate, and optimize the total value of the entire mix of partnerships with ease and transparency, driving growth and creating new value for consumers. You can also refer friends and family members to the site, and you learn a commission on each person's earnings. Number 5. Patreon.com. Patreon is a website where people can support their favorite content creators by pledging a monthly donation. In return, the content creator gives their patrons early access to new content, behind-the-scenes access, or exclusive rewards. Content creators on Patreon range from YouTubers and musicians to podcasters and bloggers. If you're looking for a way to make money online, consider creating content that people would be willing to pay for. To get started on Patreon, sign up for an account and create a page for your content. Then set your subscription price and start offering patron-only content to your fans. Number 6. TaskRabbit.com. TaskRabbit.com is one of the most popular websites for making money online. It allows users to post tasks that they need help with, and then connects them with people who are willing to do the work. TaskRabbit.com is a great way to make money online because it offers a variety of tasks that people need help with, and it is a very user-friendly website. There are many different types of tasks that you can do on TaskRabbit.com, such as delivering food, laundry, grocery shopping, and much more. You can also set your own price for each task, so you can be sure to make a profit. Number 7, Neighbor.com. If making money online is what you're after, then Neighbor.com is a website you'll definitely want to check out. As the name implies, Neighbor.com is all about connecting people with one another who live in close proximity to each other. Whether you're looking to find someone to do your grocery shopping for you, or need a dog sitter while you're out of town, Neighbor.com is a great resource to use. What's even better is that you can set your own price for services rendered. So if you're looking to make some extra cash, this is a great way to do it. Simply create a profile on the site and start offering up your services to those in your area who may need them. With Neighbor.com, there's no limit to what you can earn. It all depends on how much effort you're willing to put in. Number 8, Swap.com. Swap.com is an online marketplace where you can buy and sell used items. You can find a wide variety of items on Swap.com, including clothes, books, toys, and more. What makes Swap.com a great way to make money online is that you can set your own prices for the items you list for sale. This means that you can potentially earn a lot of money if you have popular items that people are willing to pay top dollar for. Another great thing about Swap.com is that it's free to list items for sale. You only pay a commission when your item sells, and the commission is usually only 10% of the final sale price. This makes it very affordable to sell on Swap.com even if you don't make a lot of sales. If you're looking for a unique way to make money online, then be sure to check out Swap.com. Number 9, Skillshare.com. Skillshare is an online learning platform with classes taught by industry experts. Whether you're looking to learn a new skill for your job or hobby, there's a class on Skillshare for you. And the best part, many of these classes are free. With over 17,000 courses available, there's something for everyone on Skillshare. And if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always request a class. There are 4 main types of classes on Skillshare: workshops, projects, lectures, and mini courses. Workshops are hands-on and interactive, so you can apply what you're learning as you go. Projects are designed to be completed in a specific amount of time, usually 2 to 3 hours. Lectures are pre-recorded video lessons that you can watch at your own pace. Whether you want to learn how to cook better meals, take better photos, or start your own business, Skillshare has the perfect class for you. And with new classes added every week, there's always something new to learn. Number 10, Crossover.com. Crossover.com is a website that helps you to find online jobs that pay well. They have a huge range of jobs available, so you are sure to find something that suits your skills and interests. The pay is great, and the work is flexible, so you can make as much or as little money as you want. Crossover basically connects the talented professionals across the globe with their ideal jobs. Now, when you go to crossover.com, you'll see all the remote jobs listed, and if your expertise is in the industry for that particular job, you can go ahead and start the application process, and if you're successful, you're gonna earn some mind-blowing salaries. Number 11, Amazon.com. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money online, then look no further than Amazon.com. With millions of products available for sale, there's no shortage of opportunities for you to make a profit. Whether you're looking to sell your own products or promote other people's products as an affiliate, Amazon is a great platform to get started with. What's more, Amazon has a number of programs that can help you boost your earnings even further. For example, their Amazon Associates program allows you to earn commissions on qualifying sales that you refer through your website or blog. And if you're really serious about making money on Amazon, then their Kindle Direct Publishing program lets you publish and sell ebooks directly on the Kindle platform, giving you a cut of every sale made. So if you're looking to start earning some extra cash from home, be sure to check out Amazon.com. You might just be surprised at how much money you can make. Number 12, Global.com. If you're looking for a way to make money online, Global.com is a great option. With this website, you can sign up for various tasks and projects that pay you for your work. For example, you can participate in online surveys, sign up for paid trials, or even offer your services as a virtual assistant. No matter what skills you have or what kind of work you're interested in, there's likely a task or project on Global.com that you can do to earn some extra cash. So if you're looking for a way to make money online, be sure to check out 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.